work, W-O-R-K, work. Do you work? What kind of work you do?
If my work now,
Yeah, you work now?
yes, sometime.
What kind of work you do?
Well, my work, any type of work, you know, me just, that worker, you know.
What do you mean you do any type of work? I don't understand
Yeah,
what
just
you say.
anything I get for do, I just deal with it. And when you have some work you want to give me, come I can work good, you know. Yeah, man, I work wicked when I work, you know. Yeah.
Tom,
Yes, sweetheart.
Tom,
Oh, yeah. What's up, honey?
you know, say,
Yes,
in order for me
yes.
and you talk still, you need for have, you have money, Tom?
Eh?
You have money?
Yeah, break up again.
You like you need to get one good phone. You have money, Tom?
Well, you said that because you don't know, you don't know, seeing because you don't know, bona fide, bluntly, you don't know.
All right, Tom, so
Yeah.
let me tell you what I want.
Yes, beautiful, yes, honey.
I love lace wig.
Yeah, break up again.
Hello, Tom?
You said something about week?
Tom?
Yes, I'm hearing you now. I'm hearing you
hear
now.
me?
Yes, I hear you said something about last week.
Me forgot one funeral next week. And I want one lace wig.
One what?
One lace
The
wig.
phone does a break up now. Yes.
Hello? Tom?
Yes, I hear you now. Maybe like at the signal. Yes, you said something about last week. What you said last week?
No, I never said last week. I got one funeral next week and I need one lace
Oh,
wig.
somebody dead for you.
Yeah, I need one lace wig.
My condolences here. Happy condolences.
Tom, I want one lace wig.
It's not gonna work, you know. Hang up this.
Hello? Hello?
It's not gonna work.
I'm not have no
Pun
word.
intended. It now go work.
Come on,
Cafe.
man, rack.
Fancy cat. It now go work.
Right.
It now go work if you not tell your friend them and your family them for join us now. So it will work when you continue. So stay tuned for the next scene. Something else coming up. All right, brace yourself.
This not gonna rack. Ask man if man rack.
Next scene.
One lace week. Can the lace week them at all, man? That's a weak thing. We you know, we can make a week.
Me don't understand no man, you know. Me don't understand no man. Uno one nice woman
And now phone will work.
and uno have the one nice woman and guess what? The woman them when them ear have to do, toenail have to do, body have to bathe, things have to buy, the children them have to eat.
You should have asked her if she work.
I don't know.
You can't ask her if she no work.
But you see, women always tell about what them want. Oh, them want this and them want that. Oh, me want a real man. And when you check it out, you know, false ear,
Yes.
false nail,
Yes.
false eyelash,
Yes.
false chest,
Yes.
false bum.
Yes.
But them want real man. They need a mannequin.
But there's nothing wrong with that because man now wear false teeth and all kind of thing. You hear we woman
But we
talk
not
about no
complain.
false teeth.
But you know we want more real
We
man.
not talk about no false teeth and we not talk about it. But better if someone who did have some false things.
Well, I mean, we have a false attitude.
Exactly. So when you come look.
No, remember who said apart there, because I him say that.
Because you say the word uno, me, I just
Yeah,
me,
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
single.
because we don't want, it's what I call name, we don't want them giant. You know what I mean? Because people love to have a Ity and Fancy Cat. You know what I mean? And put you in the same category
No,
together.
but no, because
make you
all
know,
of them
say,
fall in the same category. It's just gotta fit touch somehow. No? But all of you when you not look the woman,
Yeah.
no come see a girl like the girl.
All
And
right.
you tell me if I lie, me I tell.
Yeah.
Uno go to the girl, you know, uno nice and uno do everything.
Yes, yes.
Uno do everything for just get the girl. No true Jamar.
Lie, I tell.
And uno do everything for get the girl. And when uno get the girl now,
Yes.
you understand? Uno now give her the money for go do her ear, her nails to do her eyebrow for shave.
Yeah, but we shall
No,
do
but
the
I'm
girl
saying,
that continue
but you
to
see,
lie.
you're
Where's
not,
Bassila?
Cathy, you're
Where's
not doing,
Bassila? Call
be
Bassila.
honest. You
I
say
say,
when we are
call
looking,
Bassila because
but you say,
two
where's
for one
your
a
look
murder.
yourself? But you
Not
say,
you
I
auntie, allow me to tell
No,
auntie.
we shall
you
do
say,
for ourselves.
when we are look you, did when we are look you, we that give the money for look about the last week? No. So why when we get to we give you the money?
Because you find me nice.
Eh?
So you have to keep up the niceness.
No,
Not
sir.
you auntie.
Yeah, yeah, but-
Come on, auntie not nice.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
if me did pop down auntie, that wouldn't look. But I lie, Basila.
That is true, but me ask the question.
Me
Me say,
not
what you
tell
do
you
for
no
yourself?
lie. Catch me not my man.
No, we are talk for the people them now.
For
We
the
don't have
girl.
nobody yet.
Oh.
Can we find the nice one them, you know?
Oh,
So we are trying to train them now.
Okay.
We are train them now. To
No,
keep
let
pull
me
them
tell you,
over, yeah.
a lot of times me hear man a complain.
Yeah.
Say
Alright.
them woman too high
Yeah,
maintenance,
yes,
right?
yes.
Yes.
Every
They
week.
meet them up
Yeah.
at Cherry Gardens.
Yes.
So where them did expect them
Yeah, the standard they done way up
The
already.
standard they
That's
way
why me
up
not go up
already.
there. Me not go
That's
up
why
there.
me rehearse now go up there, ream and tiffle me look my
Hey,
girl.
No.
you
Can't
know
make
how
it even
much-
worse.
you know
Okay, you
how
have to
much
buy the
Listen.
bleaching
Where?
cream.
Listen.
You have to buy the
No,
bleaching
them a
cream.
girl too.
You have to buy the wig. 'Cause nobody know we a lace wig, hot wig like downtown girl. Nobody
Yeah.
talk about
Yo,
that.
Yeah.
They might put
And
you
them
on
ne-
the roadside,
Yeah.
but
And them
quality.
nails and them
but
two
Cat,
have
hold
to
on,
do.
Cat. Let me tell you something you know. You know what's my buy peroxide? You know, we need care too.
We need care
Hey,
too.
No, but the
that,
thing is,
hey,
no.
that color is cheaper than that color, you know.
That's right.
Me I tell you something.
But we take
But
care
Kira,
of
we
it.
take care of, no, Ity, real talk now.
Yes.
Don't we ladies take care of uno.
Eh? What do you mean, Uno?
Me
No,
want
you
you-
take
No,
too long
hold on,
to
Cat.
answer.
No, me know who. Me know who should ask the question.
No, all right. So you can't answer first.
No, me know who should.
You can't answer first.
Why the
Yeah,
question?
where the question?
All right, so we ladies.
No, all the
You're a
will
woman.
ladies.
You're a
All
woman.
right. Your lady not take care
care
of
of
you.
Women don't really have none, you know.
Alright, you never get no take care of
But
it.
they're on the market.
Yeah.
You will look take
Well,
care of.
me up on the
All right,
market.
so Ity,
Well-
don't your wife take care of you?
All right.
When so there? No, daddy.
So hold on then.
Yeah.
So that means somebody that take care of you, know, because you look good.
No.
Well,
no,
me take
hold on.
care of
Hey,
myself.
Hold on. No. I want to know. Because he must have watched it there. And him looks so
Kyle, at this time, cut the part. Cut
Me take care of myself.
cut the part. You know. People this you know. You understand?
Me take care of myself.
But I like to know who take care of you. Because his pants well pressed. His short well pressed.
I know.
And face well washed. No matter in your eye. Your teeth not having no grit. So I like to know
Buy the
what
lace wig. Buy the lace wig. Buy the lace wig. Why? Cat said, where's about last week? Hey, this
No.
is
Close
the
the
best part of the
show.
show. This is the best
Let's
part of the
close
show.
off the show because,
People,
hey,
this is the best part.
next
Oh,
week is
hold
going to
on
be a
there.
grand week.
Only there watch all of that. Hold on, can't realize what.
Them see all of that?
Only watch all of that. Look here. Only now nothing for today. You know, but anyway, until you come here, it's going to be real life. We don't even know where we're talking about.
Right.
So you know, we can't be telling them. You know what I mean?
Well, I look like, say, before you sit up on the set and talk about something. Next week, we talk about bleaching.
Next week. You know what? Some topics we want to talk about. Yes.
Yes.
And don't
We
talk
talk
about
about
that.
it at
We're
the
not
end.
talking about that. No, not say. Yeah, we're not talking about that. It's gone already. Accident. We're not talking about
What
that.
they want you to talk about Kevin Smith?
Me not- what, him,
Da,
hold
da,
it, da. Yes, that's what I'm telling you. Did I call him in name? See you next
They want you
week.
to talk about the yak. And so much of we left out of the yak.
No, this has been fun for me.
don't know.
Really enjoy myself, and I trust and I hope that you enjoyed yourself too. And you're gonna come here, and we can spend some more time together. But yeah, type topics, we pay
Yeah,
attention.
just send in some
Yeah,
topics.
type topics, you never know.
And we try it in some of them to come. We realize I'm just me alone. So.
Yeah, no, yeah. And me have to think about the scene. Them look here, what them don't know about. But we work together nice. Trust
work
me, that
together,
team. So,
Thank you and see you
Fancy Cat, you close the scene. You close it out. You close it.
Although we've come
No, and I last episode.
to the end
And I
of the show.
Oh, the show.
Next week we'll see you, but this time we have to go. Peace until then.
Enough love.
Blessed.
Bastila, tell them bye-bye now. Tell them bye-bye now.
Come on. Ooh.
Can you tell them bye-bye now?
Bye-bye. Woo.
Bye-bye, dance. That's a wrap.